Good morning to all. Today we are going to learn an important topic, body mass. What is body mass? To understand this, let's have a question. 8 multiplied by 8 plus 8 divided by 8 minus 8. How to solve this question? There are four mathematical operations: multiply, addition, divide and subtraction. Now question is that which operation we have to do first? Divide, addition, subtraction or multiplication? Totally confusion. To avoid this confusion, we have to follow body mass. Body mass B. B stands for bracket. There are three types of bracket. Very first, round bracket. The second one is curly bracket. And the third one is big bracket. Next one, O. O stands for of, which against multiplied. D stands for divide, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Now let's start with D mass. Solve this question with the help of D mass. Write the statement again. Put the sign of equals before every step. Now according to D mass, we have to do first divide. 8 divided by 8, 1. We have to solve only division and do not change the place of other numbers. 8 multiplied by 8 minus 8. D. Then M. M stands for multiplication. 8 8 is 64 plus 1 minus 8. Then addition. A. 64 plus 1, 65 minus 8, and your answer will be 57. Thank you. Let's solve some more example on D mass. Statement is 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3. Write the statement again. 16 plus 8 divided by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 3. Now solve the divide first. 16 plus 8 divided by 4, answer is 2, minus 2 multiplied by 3. Do not change the place of the other numbers. Here minus 2 multiplied by 3, minus 2 multiplied by 3. The next step, multiplication. 2 multiplied by 3, 16 plus 2 minus 6, 2 3 is 6. Now what we have to do? Addition. 16 plus 2, 18 minus 6, and your answer is now 18 minus 6, yes, 12. Let's solve one more example on D mass. 49 minus 57 plus 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 4. Write the statement again. 49 minus 57 plus 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 4. Follow the DMAS. Solve, divide first. 49 minus 57, 8 divided by 4, 2 multiplied by 4. Now multiplication. 49 minus 57 plus 2 4s are 8. Now look this step very carefully. What we have to do? According to rule, we have to do addition. But in this step, you cannot add 8 into 57 because before 57 there is a minus sign. Now what you have to do? You have to add 49 and 8. 49 and 8. It becomes 57 minus 57 and answer is 0. Thank you.